Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix pending download on Google Play Store on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, pending downloads can be frustrating and time-consuming, especially when you are trying to install or update important apps. So, knowing how to fix these issues saves you time and allows you to quickly access the apps you need. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you have to go to the Google Play Store app. Okay, and on this page, I will try to install the application. Well, and here you can see that it doesn't work. So the way to fix that, simply tap on profile icon at the corner. And now select the settings option here. Okay, after that here you can choose network preferences and then tap on app download preference. So lastly, select the first option. Well, that's the tutorial on how to fix pending download on Google Play Store on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.